according to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 310.15. B. 2. The current carrying capacity of 3 or more conductors in a raceway must be adjusted. This is called derating if the conductors are contained within a tightly enclosed raceway, such as a liquid-tight conduit. Therefore, consider 3 current carrying conductors in each of the 10 TECK 90 cables as 30 current carrying conductors and their current carrying capacity according to Table 310.15. B. 2. Of the National Electrical Code. Also, according to NEC Article 300.3. C. Power and control cables must be separated by at least 6 inches, which is 152 millimeters, or by a barrier if they are installed in the same raceway. This is to prevent noise and interference between the power and control circuits. If the power and control cables are installed in liquid-tight conduits, it is not clear whether there is sufficient separation between them. Physically separate the cables or install a barrier between them to meet the requirements of the National Electrical Code. The ambient temperature and raceway fill should also be considered when determining the current carrying capacity of the cables. The specific requirements may vary depending on the local code enforcement authority. Consult with the authority having jurisdiction to ensure compliance.